Think humans are the only ones with a favorite hand? We often take pride in being right-handed or left-handed and sometimes even debate which is better. But what if I told you that we are not alone in having a preference for one side over another? Think again. Scientists have just discovered that octopuses actually prefer to use different arms for different jobs. That's right, these mysterious sea creatures have their own version of handedness, but with a twist that's even more fascinating than ours. And trust me, what they found will completely change how you look at these 8-armed geniuses of the ocean. Octopus secrets revealed. It turns out, octopuses are not just randomly waving their arms around, they're making calculated choices, using specific arms for specific tasks, almost like each arm has its own job description. Researchers studying octopuses noticed something fascinating. After hours of careful observation, they realized that octopuses consistently favor certain arms for certain activities, whether it's reaching for food, exploring new objects, or defending themselves from threats. When an octopus grabs food, explores objects, or defends itself, it does not just pick any arm at random. Instead, it seems to know which arm is best suited for the job, almost as if it's assigning roles to each limb. This level of coordination is truly mind-blowing, no? It shows clear preferences, almost like we do with being right or left-handed. Some octopuses might always use the third arm on the right to grab food, while another might favor the second arm on the left for exploring. It's a unique arm personality for each octopus. Octopus arms are not controlled the same way ours are. Unlike humans, whose limbs are directed by a central brain, octopuses have a much more decentralized system. Each one has its own mini-brain that can act semi-independently. In fact, 2/3 of an octopus's neurons are found in its arms, not its head. This means each arm can sense, react, and even make decisions on its own, all while staying in sync with the rest of the body. That means while one arm is busy opening a shell, another might be reaching out to investigate, and another could be defending against predators. Multitasking level, expert. Imagine being able to write an email, make a sandwich, and play a video game all at the same time, each with a different hand. Understanding these arm preferences does not just tell us more about octopus behavior, it could also inspire robotics and artificial intelligence. Scientists and engineers are already looking at the octopus as a model for creating flexible, adaptable robots that can perform multiple tasks at once. Imagine robots with independent, specialized limbs that can handle different tasks at once, all thanks to our 8-armed ocean friends. This could revolutionize everything from underwater exploration to surgery, making robots more versatile and efficient than ever before. And while we are at it, here are some crazy octopus facts. Did you know that octopuses are escape artists, able to squeeze through tiny gaps and even open child-proof containers? Their intelligence is off the charts. They can unscrew jar lids. In fact, some octopuses have been caught on camera escaping from their tanks by unscrewing the lids and making a break for freedom. They can change color in less than a second. This isn't just for show. Octopuses use their color-changing abilities to communicate, camouflage, and even scare off predators. And some scientists even call them the closest thing to an alien on Earth. With their incredible intelligence, unique nervous system, and otherworldly appearance, it's easy to see why. So the next time you think of octopuses, remember, they do not just have 8 arms, they have got 8 specialists working together. Each arm is a master of its own craft, and together, they make the octopus one of the most remarkable creatures in the ocean. Would you like to have a different arm for every task? Imagine how much you could get done if you had 8 arms, each with its own specialty. One for texting, one for eating, and maybe one just for scrolling TikTok. The possibilities are endless and a little bit hilarious. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more wild discoveries from the natural world. There's always something new and amazing to learn about the creatures we share our planet with. Until next time, stay curious. The ocean is full of secrets, and who knows what we'll discover next.